Got any games?
What is that? Huh? What is that? GoPro? Oh, damn. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back.
What's up, guys?
Say hi, Maui.
What's up?
This is Maui. We're in an Evo, but we're not in my Evo. This is his Evo with 500 horsepower.
It should be fun.
It should be fun. How many times have you ridden in a passenger?
In this car, probably once. On my dad. Yeah.
Damn.
I didn't even get to drive it home. My dad wanted to drive it home.
His dad drove it home. He didn't even drive it home.
He's too excited.
Your clutch is similar to my clutch, dude.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yeah, I've driven a GTR, I've driven a Viper, SRT Sun, which is still like different. 550 horsepower. But
how was the clutch on that thing?
It wasn't too bad, but second gear on that one, it would
get stuck.
It would grind.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
For real?
According to V85.
Yeah, shit.
It's crazy because you step on it and it just keeps going and going and going. And then you go full throttle and it just stays going.
Yeah.
Alright, that was a brake boost. Did you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you felt it, right? How it just fucking like
takes off.
Yeah. No brake boost.
I know.
Guys, I think I broke it. Did I break it?
Probably.
Hey, I broke his car.
You got a check engine?
Yeah, I got a check engine.
Ooh.
For what? I don't know.
Hopefully something stupid.
Yeah,
but Maui's tripping.
This fucking sucks, man.
I broke it. The moment of truth. This is why I don't drive other people's cars. Right? Catalyst fuel trim system, rich bank one.
It's just a rich code.
Just a rich code.
That's good.
Alright, so
oh my god,
it's nothing serious. Oh man,
oh my god,
I was tripping, bro.
You scared me.
To be honest, I got scared too.
I was like, fuck, my car is fucked now.
These cars aren't fucking, they're not your average, you know, Hondas where parts cost like $10.
Right.
No, these things, parts are expensive.
Everything's upcharged on this car.
Yeah, dude.
Now that everything's
I mean, I would have paid for it, to be honest. I would have paid for it.
Nah.
But
it's just the rich code.
It's just the rich code, man. It's just the rich code.
And welcome to the O2 sensor game.
That's what I said. Hey, that's what we were saying. We're like, it's probably an O2 sensor. And let's go to the gas station so I can fill you up.
All right, get it.
I'll take mine too. Guys, I was tripping balls, to be honest. I know it doesn't seem like it at first, but when it's not your car and that happens, and you feel so guilty. All right, so we're back in my Evo. Maui's in his Evo right there. We're on our way to the gas station. He let me drive it, so it's, you know, it's the right thing for me to fill up his gas tank since I did beat the shit out of it, and I gave it a check engine light, which thankfully was just a rich code. You know, nothing too serious, but I was shooting bricks, to be honest. It's not my car, you know. It's not a pleasant feeling when the check engine light comes on a car that's not yours after you beat the shit out of it. Now that I'm back in my Evo feels ridiculously slow. Scared the poopy out of you?
My fucking shit is in my ass.
I scared the poopy out of myself. How much do you think it'll take? 10 bucks?
No, not even.
No?
I'd say like 7.
I say 5. That'll be 2 gallons.
That'd be cool.
Oh!
You're good, you're good.
$5 hauler. Should I put an 85 on that thing too? What? Flex fuel for the win?
Flex fuel game.
Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Maui's baby mama was calling him. And, you know, after that check engine light, kind of didn't want to drive it anymore. But he cleared it out, it's all good. Hasn't came back, maybe it will, who knows. I'm in my Evo right now, and even though both of them are Evos, they feel completely different. Like the overall feel inside of them is way different. Why? I don't know. But if you've ever been in multiple Evos, then you'll probably be able to tell. On that note, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be entered into my giveaway. At 1,000 subscribers, I'm like 680, 685, something like that right now. So thank you guys for all your support. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Maui's a pretty close friend of mine, and I just realized he barely let me drive it after like 2 months of him owning it.